Alright, I'm back again with another clip. I'm going to do one more mod on this. I want this thing to not come down quite as heavy as it does. And in my first tests, I tended to have the adjustment all the way wound in so that the spring was extended as far as possible. And that was it. I was basically had it all the way wound up, and I still wanted it to be lighter than that. So I've just been to the hardware store to look at more springs. Couldn't really find anything. Could find basically the same thing again, and this was stronger than any of the springs there, pretty much. So I switched back to the first idea I had, which was to change this, move these over, these holes, and just move the whole thing back. And I've just come home and I've looked at it and I thought, well, why not, instead of doing that, why don't I just spin this one around and then have that sitting over this side, which will give me about that much more tension on it, which is a lot. This one doesn't have to change position, it can stay where it is, but that can flip around, and we'll see how it goes. We'll see if I could even get it back together like that. Might take a bit of effort, but that's the plan now. All right, so I've just flipped that over and got the spring back on, and that's now there, which is approximately where it was before when this was flipped over that way. So that was my maximum tension previously. So now, oh, right, the balance point is way up here. That's a lot higher. It's about there. That's a lot higher. Let me just, so that's about there. What if I put this there? If I have that standing on there, just about touches that. So that's where it is. And now I'm going to flip it around. And we'll wind it all back in again with my my handle modification here. This one's copyright, by the way. No one's allowed to do this one. Okay, so I've gone all the way in, pretty much. And now the balance point is about there, which, as we can see, is substantially further down from where it was, that much. So that's changed that. That is the difference. I don't know what that is in weight, but that's the difference. So it's doing something, certainly making it lighter. All right, I'm going to leave that there. Bye-bye.